Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add money from your bank to your Revolut account. Of course, for that you already have to have a Revolut account, okay? Like I show you here, in my case I have €8, but I need more money. How I can add from my bank to this account? Okay, so once you are in your main menu or your Revolut app, you just hit here where it says add money. It's so simple. And you cannot see here, and now it says how much money you wanna add. And as you can see, it says easy bank transfer. But if we hit change, it says how to add money through your paycheck, easy bank transfer, that we're gonna select that. But also we can use debit or credit card that if we hit here, it is going to ask you about your card details. That is gonna be like a purchase you make in a store. It's gonna be like a bank transfer, but from your credit card. This is not what we're looking for, so we hit back and we're gonna select easy bank transfer, as you see, and how much money you want to add. Okay, let's say it's €10, so we hit continue and choose a bank to transfer from. We will automatically send you to this bank, approve the transfer, And as I am in Spain, those are different Spanish banks that I'm gonna select the first one, the BBVA. Automatically it brings me to the BBVA app. We are conducting again, checks complete. Okay, what does it mean? I don't know. Just finishing up. And from which account I want to make this €10 transfer to Revolut account. From my BVA, this account. Okay, I accept. I hit accept. And it says commission applied only by BVA for this operation, does not assume possible third-party commissions. It says fees is 0, so €10. I think it's very possible to make it. I accept. I enter the code I just received in my phone, so just confirm. I am again in my Revolut account, but I still have €8. Where is my €10 that I just added? So we have to wait till all the process is complete. That it takes around 1-2 days, but don't worry because money will arrive. And also another different method is directly from your bank to make a transfer to this Revolut account, which is my Revolut account details. So as I said, if I hit details here, I have here beneficiary, the account code, big Swift code, everything that I need to transfer straight from my bank to this Revolut bank account, and it's gonna be like national or international bank transfer. So we can do as we have done now, or just with all this information go to our bank and make a transfer using this data. So this is everything for this video. I hope you understand. Smash the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment below, and see you on the next video. Bye.